Welcome to the South West Acute Hospital and welcome to the Human Milk Bank. We are going to take you on a short tour of the Human Milk Bank and show you how the whole process works, from receiving the donor express breast milk from our amazing donors to the pasteurisation process and finally to sending the milk out to help babies all across the island of Ireland. The donated express breast milk is received into the Human Milk Bank whilst it is still frozen. The milk is then defrosted under strict guidelines in individual donor sterile trays within the defrosting fridge for pasteurisation. The defrosted donor express breast milk is taken into the processing room where the donor's collection is poured into a sterile jug. The milk is then distributed into sterile bottles, heat sealed and placed into pasteurisation crates, which then go into the pasteurisation machine. The milk is pasteurised at 62.5 degrees for 30 minutes. The pasteurising machine then cools the milk until it reaches 4 degrees within 90 minutes, prior to placing it into the holding freezer. It remains in the holding freezer until all testing results come back clear. This includes blood results for each donor, bacterial count and Pseudomonas testing. A sample is collected from each batch for bacteriology and Pseudomonas testing, which is sent to an independent, specialist bacteriological laboratory. A sample of each batch is also tested to establish the nutritional values, and this is done in-house by our milk bank technicians. Only on receipt of all of these results are we able to release the milk to neonatal units who have requested donor express breast milk. The donor milk is then packed accordingly per batch into the grey VersaPack bags and sealed. Before dispatch, the milk is placed into the specialist green porter bags with ice blocks and delivered to neonatal units throughout the island of Ireland. I have talked about the donation process and how the milk is pasteurised. Without the generosity of our donors, this service would not exist. The demand for human milk is increasing, and therefore so is the need for more donors, as we continue to try and help sick and premature babies across the island of Ireland. If you would like to donate to the Human Milk Bank or learn more about it, please contact the Human Milk Bank team, and please continue to spread the word of the Human Milk Bank. At the Human Milk Bank, we greatly appreciate all the volunteers who support the work we do, including our donors and the volunteer blood bikers who help transport the precious milk. Thank you.